In this video, we are going to look at how to record income and receive payments. Hello, welcome to another PiggyZen training video. Remember to create your free account today. We will be using the free edition. Go to Sales and Income. We will start by receiving a payment for an invoice that was already created. We can filter our invoices by using the date range, or we can search for an invoice using any of the fields provided like the invoice number, customer name, or email. To receive a payment for the invoice, select the invoice and click on the payment button. All the fields are already filled in for us. All we need to do is select how we were paid. If the customer does not pay the full amount for the invoice, we can change the payment amount. The customer is already linked, so we can just click on Record Payment. If we go back to our list of invoices, we will see that the balance for that invoice has been updated. I have now shown you how to receive a payment for an invoice that you created. But what if you want to record income without creating an invoice? Go to Sales and Income and click on Record Income. Enter a description for the income that was received and make sure the correct date is selected. If you already received the payment for this income, select the account where the payment was received. If you are still going to receive the money, you can select Accounts Receivable. If there were any costs involved for this job, you can enter the cost, otherwise you can just enter the price. You can add sales tax to this income if required. The amount excluding sales tax and the amount including will automatically be calculated. As you did not use PiggyZen to create an invoice for this income, you can enter or paste the URL of an invoice that was created by an external system if you are using one. And finally, we can optionally link a customer to this income so that the customer account will also be updated. We have now looked at how to receive a payment for an invoice that was created by PiggyZen, how to record income where we did not create a PiggyZen invoice. But what if we now want to receive a payment for income that is not linked to a PiggyZen invoice? We go to Other Income and Payments and select Receive Account Payment. You can enter a description of the payment. It is a good idea to include the payment reference. That will make it easier when we do bank reconciliation. Select the bank account where you received the payment and enter the amount that was paid. You also need to link the correct customer so that his account will be updated with the payment. When we want to submit, we get a warning that we have selected South African Rand, but the customer is set up as an international customer that pays in US dollars. So we either need to change the currency or select the correct customer. I realized I made a mistake by selecting the wrong customer, so I can now just select the correct customer. In this video, we learned how to receive a payment for an invoice created in PiggyZen, record income without creating an invoice or using an external invoice, and receive a payment that is not linked to a PiggyZen invoice.